In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add hover effect on image in Wix. To get started, open your site editor and make sure you are on the main canvas where you want the image effect to appear. This is important because you will be adding an interactive element directly onto your page layout. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side toolbar and click on Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks for different design features, including interactive content. After that, look through the category list and click on Interactive. Inside this section, select Hoverboxes. Hoverboxes are a simple way to create an image area that changes when someone moves their cursor over it. This is useful if you want to make your page feel more dynamic and visually engaging without needing any advanced setup. Now choose the hoverbox layout that fits your design best. Wix usually provides several preset styles, so pick the one that matches the look you want. Then drag that hoverbox onto your page canvas and place it where you want it to appear. Take a moment to position it neatly so it fits well with the rest of your page content. Next, click on the hoverbox container itself. You will see options for different states, including the regular state and the hover state. Start by selecting the regular state. This is the default view visitors will see before they move their mouse over the image. In this state, upload or drop your background image into the container area. Make sure you use an image that is clear and sized well for the space, since this will affect the final appearance of the effect. Once your regular image is in place, switch over to the hover state. This is where you can adjust the overlay effect that appears when someone hovers over the image. Depending on the preset you chose, this may include text, shading, or other visual changes. Review how it looks and make any needed adjustments so the transition feels clean and easy to understand. When everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. Publishing lets you test the hover effect live on your site so you can confirm that the animation works properly and looks good in the real page view. That covers everything you need to know.